Hello, this is Springfield, Missouri disability attorney Jason Krebs, and in today's video I thought we would tell you 5 things that can get your Missouri or Arkansas disability approved faster, especially if you're over 50. Number one, and this is one that we talk about all the time, medical records. You have to have a significant amount of medical records that show your conditions and more importantly how these conditions are going to affect your ability to show up to work every day, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. The fact that if you haven't been to the doctor for a long time or only going once or twice a year, the reality is you're probably going to have some problems. The second thing, kind of along those lines, is you have a doctor that is supporting you. Basically, maybe the doctor said, hey, you need to think about applying for disability, or I'll help you with your disability. Those things are very important in our world, and that can help you immensely. The third thing is that you've had a good work history. Contrary to what a lot of people in the media will say, nobody in their right mind really wants to go start this process. So the fact that you've had a good work history and are unable to continue working, that's typically something very much in your favor. The fourth thing that is also important along those lines is that you're able to show, and you have to be able to show that there is no work that you can do, not just your last job. Now the law, it gets a little more complicated than that when you get over the age of 50, but don't just focus on the idea that I can't do my last job or my last 1 or 2 jobs. Social Security looks at your last 15 years of employment, but it's a lot more complex than that. So don't just get focused on that. A lot of people really get focused on that. And the fifth thing, and it goes along with that, is if you're over 50, you need to get a lawyer involved in the application process, because you have some advantages over people that are under 50, and you can lose those advantages if you make mistakes in the application process. We do offer a free book that you can get if you're a Missouri or Arkansas resident. You can get it from our website, KrebsLawOffice.com, or give us a call at 1-800-345-0535 or 417-883-5886. We wish you the best of luck, and thanks for watching. Bye.